how to use WhatsApp without phone number. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can actually use WhatsApp without phone number, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you actually want to use WhatsApp without phone number, let's say you have WhatsApp application opened up and you are not logged in, you would like to create a WhatsApp account but then you don't own a phone number. You have to understand a very basic thing. WhatsApp is not a decrypted application, which means that it is end-to-end encrypted, which means WhatsApp themselves, which is owned by Meta by the way, does not actually store your data like Facebook, Instagram. Hence you cannot create with email and password. That is why you need your own personal phone number in order to create a WhatsApp account. And WhatsApp is a number-to-number basis application. It doesn't work based on email address or username and stuff, because WhatsApp is actually made for privacy reasons. So the messages that you send are going to be deleted if you don't back up them, and you have the option to back them up to your Google account or your iCloud if you're using iPhone. So that is the thing you want to understand. WhatsApp was built for privacy reasons. It is end-to-end encrypted. WhatsApp doesn't store the chats. That is why when you might notice you have to back up and restore all the chats manually, because WhatsApp doesn't do that for you. So that's the thing you want to understand. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.